Cybertruck fails to climb the first few meters of the dune and runs out of steam. Tesla Cybertruck was seen struggling to climb a steep dune, the ridiculous amount of torque being delivered, leading to the electric pickup truck to keep spinning its wheels, and struggling to bite into the sandy surface for traction. The truck fails to gain enough momentum to reach the top of the dune, ultimately stalling. Looks like the Cybertruck was again not on the right tires for climbing the dune. That sand was soft. Deflating tires can only do so much. If you're sinking several inches in, it's not going to do anything. If you are going to be in the sand a lot of the time, you might need tires and wheels that would allow you to run low pressure. By the looks, it was a steep incline and the Cybertruck would have never reached the top, due to its immense weight, and the loose sand was making things difficult.